Let's learn about renaming column names. Imagine a warehouse where boxes are labeled with short codes that confuse workers. So labels are replaced with clear names like electronics or furniture, just like this, right? This is a short name, it's confusing. Now, full, it's perfect, it's a clear name. Renaming columns name work the same way, changing technical or unclear headers into meaningful ones. This improves readability, consistency, and makes joins or reports easier to understand. It ensures datasets align with business terminology and reduce errors in transformations. We'll meet in our next lecture.